darkness, but we were born in fire. We are the sons of the light. Shadow moves in silence, whispers in the dust. Serpents speak in riddles, try to bend the just, but the blood still speaks from that rugged hill, and the sword of truth is drawn to kill. We are the sons of light, marked by flame, bound by the cross, we bear his name. Marching through the valley, no fear in sight. Born for the war, we were made to fight. Sons of the light, no retreat, no chains. Fire in our souls and blood in our veins. The night may scream, but we stand and fight. We are the chosen sons of the light. Temptation calls in velvet tones, but we walk paths where angels roam. Hell can rage, let darkness cry, but we were born to never die. Lion of Judah, ride with me through flame and storm and prophecy. We are the sons of the light, marked by flame, bound by the cross, we bear his name. Marching through the valley, no fear in sight. Born for the war, we were made to fight. Sons of the light, no retreat, no chains. Fire in our souls and blood in our veins. The night may scream, but we stand and fight. We are the chosen sons of the light. Ash to ash, dust to dust, our faith is steel, in God we trust. No demon lives where truth has tread. We walk with power, raised from the dead. We are the sons of the light,